After getting certified, most nutrition coaches feel like they're ready to succeed. They know the science, they care about their clients, and they're ready to make a big difference. But pretty quickly, many realize that just passion and knowledge are not enough to build a business that lasts. They hit roadblocks, finding clients, making sales, building systems, and without momentum, that energy starts to fade. That's exactly why we created the Certified Nutrition Coach Business Blueprint. This course is designed to bridge the gap between being an amazing coach and building a thriving business. We cover everything, from launching your offer to making sales to building systems that scale up with your business. This is for the coach that's ready to stop guessing and start growing, who wants something that's more than a passion project and is ready to build this into a full-blown career. And if you're ready to turn your certification into a real business, this is where you start. I knew how to coach people, but I didn't know how to build a system, find clients, and make it sustainable. I'm so excited to share the roadmap that I wish I had had so you can build the business that you set out to create.